When placing veneer restorations, dentists have traditionally had two techniques to choose from. Indirect, which requires taking an impression and sending it to the lab for fabrication of a porcelain veneer, or direct, where the dentist applies and sculpts a direct composite material to create a custom chairside veneer. Placing indirect veneers involves lab fees and multiple office visits, and handcrafting direct veneers can be time-consuming, with the aesthetic outcome highly dependent on the skill set and experience of the clinician. Now there's a better way. Colteen introduces new Komponیر, the first prefabricated composite veneer system that provides a more affordable and reliable solution for the fabrication and placement of custom veneer restorations in a single office visit. Komponیر veneers consist of a polymerized, prefabricated nanohybrid composite enamel shell, designed as a single-visit alternative to traditional crowns and indirect veneers that require at least 2 office visits. Komponیر closes the gap between the time-consuming freehand and potentially invasive veneer techniques performed by today's dental practices. Clinically indicated for treatment of caries, optimization of old restorations, attrition, abrasion, erosion, and tooth fractures, Komponیر can also be used for a variety of aesthetic and cosmetic conditions, including extending incisors, malposition, discoloration, and anatomical malformation. As the first proven system to facilitate easier restoration of anterior teeth with prefabricated composite shells, Komponیر expands existing treatment options, offers patients a more affordable alternative to indirect veneers, and gives patients a beautiful smile in just 1 office visit. A completely new class of veneers, Komponír's highly filled nanohybrid composite formula ensures excellent homogeneity and stability of the enamel shells. The extremely thin veneers, as thin as 0.3 millimeters, allow you to practice conservative dentistry by retaining a high level of enamel during preparation, and they offer a shiny and naturally designed surface that adds a look of vitality to the restoration. The micro-retentive inner surface increases wettability to ensure a lasting bond. The specially designed instruments make it easier to customize and place each veneer. And unlike traditional porcelain veneers, Komponیر veneers can be adjusted at placement and repaired after placement with Colteen's Synergy D6 Direct Composite. The result is a complete system for quickly and economically placing attractive, natural-looking anterior restorations that will last for years. Komponیر veneers not only look good, they also deliver excellent bond strength and abrasion resistance. The Synergy D6 composite material delivers a high abrasion resistance comparable to that of natural enamel. The Colteen one-coat bond material requires only a single application step and delivers excellent adhesion to composite, enamel, and dentin. The veneer shell's novel inner surface has a micro-retentive structure for a permanent bond. And Komponیر also produces tight edge seals for minimal discoloration at the edges. The result is an adhesion you can count on for beautiful, long-lasting restorations. Komponیر veneers are applied with a few basic steps. Prior to isolating the tooth, use the shade guide to select the proper enamel and dentin shade. Use the blue-shaded transparent contour guides to select the matching Komponیر, then isolate the tooth using an appropriate hygienic rubber dam. After selecting the appropriate size, carefully adjust the Komponیر to obtain a precise fit. If required, conservatively prepare the tooth for the veneer. Apply one-coat bond as directed, then place Synergy D6 composite material on the tooth and the inside of the veneer, using the Komponیر MB5 modeling spatula to distribute and trim any excess. Use the Komponیر placer to apply the veneer to its final position. Please refer to the Kامponیر Instructions for Use for detailed technique information. Kامponیر comes in a choice of basic or premium system kits. Both contain everything you need to successfully place Kامponیر veneers. The premium kit contains 84 veneers supplied in 2 shades, each with 3 sizes, plus the full instrument and material accessory sets. The basic kit contains 24 veneers along with the instrument and accessory sets. Choose basic or premium kits with either Synergy D6 composite for syringes or dispenser tips. The veneer shells can be ordered in convenient blister pack refills, and the individual component materials and instruments can also be ordered separately. Kامponیر prefabricated composite veneers can provide your practice with more patients, more procedures, and more smiles. This innovative veneer system lets you place beautiful anterior restorations in only one office visit, without taking impressions and without the time and expense of sending out to the dental lab. In fact, Kامponیر costs you less than half of what you pay for lab-fabricated veneers, allowing you to grow your practice by providing aesthetic restorations to patients who previously could not afford them. For natural-looking veneers that create beautiful smiles, choose the Kامponیر Direct Composite Veneering System from Colteen.